Hello, Prestige Solar Services here to tell you why you should protect your solar energy system. Pigeons and unwanted critters can wreak havoc on your solar system, causing you, the system owner, to incur high fees on service and repairs. Solar panel protection helps protect your energy system from unwanted tenants and critters while maximizing your return on investment. Our team member will come out and measure your panels to custom tailor a solution for your solar energy system. Enjoy your life more knowing that your solar energy asset is protected. Give us a call now and we'll schedule your appointment for your free estimate. Just dial 856-425-2207. Please like, share, and follow if you'd like to receive more content and education on how to maintain your solar energy system.